Ever wondered how to add a little bit of a depth to your renders? Ever wondered what makes all the renders on Pinterest a little bit different than yours? Then this one trick can help you guys. Foreground. How can you add a foreground to any kind of image out there after the render is done? This is what we're going to learn today in Photoshop. But before that, if you guys have not yet subscribed to this channel, then do make sure to press the subscribe button, like button and comment down below. And let's get back to the main video. So first thing which you have to do is just drag your image onto Photoshop. If it's any kind of buildings, then foregrounds of trees, small grasses and animal cutouts or vehicle cutouts work really well as foregrounds. Here are some examples which are there on the screen. You can put a foreground directly in Lumion or V-Ray or any other software out there itself. But sometimes due to client requirements, those foregrounds might not be the best options out there. But if you want to elevate your portfolio a little bit, then we can add this in Photoshop later on in post-production. So what we can do is once we have the photo in Photoshop, go to Google first, type in any kind of grass, vehicle, image of any other object in PNG format, drag it onto Photoshop, put it in any one of the corners. If it's a tree branch, it can be on the top right or left corner. If it's a grass, it can be on the bottom left or right corner. If it's a human being or animal, it can be on the left or right sides. But make sure it is not in the center, of course, otherwise it will not look good. Once you've done that, then go to the settings part, go to blur and make sure to add a little bit of Gaussian blur to this. Another thing which you have to cater to is that once you have any other extra object inside of the image, the colors might not look exactly the same as the render itself. And what you can do is merge all the layers together and then after that put a color lookup table or LUT into the image itself. This will apply a bit of a filter to the entire image. If you don't want to overdo it, just apply a filter or a LUT and then reduce the opacity all the way to 10 to 12%. This is what will make all the difference. So this was the before image and this is the after image. If this video helped you in any way, then do make sure to subscribe to this channel, press the like button, and we are Studio Contour. We'll be back with a new video soon. Peace.